Hi guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. As for me, I'm strong and healthy. I want to do some twist braids. I'll be using the human hair, kinky hair. So this is the Empire Bulk 100% human hair. So I'm going to be using my Ractel comb, using my Shine and Jam, and I'm also going to be using my hair clips. So as we get right into this video, I'm just going to part my hair into 4 sections so that I can braid each section, because when I part them into sections, it's somehow easier for me. So we'll be working with this. I'm going to start braiding on this side. So I'm not going to do boxes. We are not doing the boxes like the squares. I'm just going to be parting the old time pattern where we just part in little circles. So that'll be easy and faster for me. So I'm applying my gel. Then I brush it for a smoother look. And you just do like this. This is so easy, especially this tie. It's so easy and good for those who can do the square pattern. Take this piece and you pass it into this piece to make one. So this is the first method. Then you just hold like this and you put your finger through. Then you just let go. Then you just go to your hair. You grab your hair like this and you start braiding. I'm not doing the knotless braids. So I'm just going to divide my hair into 2 or 3 parts like this. Then I'm just going to turn. So the first one, you see my finger going into the middle of this hair. And then I grab. Then I go again for the second time and I twist, 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 twist for third or fourth time. Then we start braiding. I'm not going to braid so much. This is all what I'm just going to braid. Then I'm just going to separate the middle hair. You see, there are three. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So I'm just going to take the bigger piece. So this is the bigger piece in the middle. So I'm just going to separate them into equal halves. One half, this half comes to this one, and this half comes to the other half. Then I start twisting. You start twisting and going down. Just be passing your fingers over to the other, like over, over, over. Then you want to go faster, over, just like this. Twist, twist, twist. Twist must not be neat because we are going for a kinkier look. Something almost like my natural hair. Then when I get to the end, I just twirl my fingers around just to seal it up. And here is my twist. So the next one, I'm just going to apply my Shine and Jam. And I comb it out. Then you just take your comb and you just Add a little circle. Like this. Okay, this is small. So I just want to add this. Now I'm doing the second method. This is how the hair is. Like just one. Then I'm just going to hold this part. One. Then I come to this end. And I separate this end into two halves. Like this. Two halves. One. So I just take my finger, my middle finger, and I put it inside like this. Then I let go and I start braiding. Same braiding method from the root. So I'm just going to be doing same thing. Braid and I just twist.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
I braided one half already.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons.
I'm going to be showing you another style. Like for those who have never braided their own hair, there's a more simple style which I'm going to show you. Another method. So you can just take your hair, then you grab this one, then you put this like this, you hold like this, then you attach it to your hair like this. You see, this is my kinky hair and this is my natural hair. So I combine everything together and I grab. Then I take the kinky hair, which is out. Then I pass, like, twist it all around like a 360. You twist. You can just twist once or you twist twice like this. Then you hold this end like this and you put it on this palm. Then you grab this hair underneath and you separate it into two like this, into two. Then you pick one piece and you pass your hands like this over. This hand grabs this one of the hair. So I'm using this hand to grab one of my hair like this. Then I use this one to separate this one. You see, I use this one to just support here. Then I take this one hand and I separate the hair. Then I braid like this. You start passing your hands inside like this. So I separate my hair to start twisting. And I add one to this, then I add the rest to this. Then I start twisting.
Come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this with the air? But damn, I can't believe it's true. I'm just this.
So now this is like 3 methods I've been showing. I showed the first 2 methods here, and this is the third method. So you can go for whichever you think is easier for you.